Hello, I'm Nancy Kowalik with your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty. This is 30 Things to Do in Mullica Hill in 30 days, day 26. And I'm standing here in the Village Salon with Gino Giumarello. This is a magnificent spot. I mean, first of all, it's beautiful in here, right?
Thank you.
Love it. And you've been a piece of this, a part of this town for so many years. But there's much more than hair here, right? So in the Village Salon has an upstairs. So tell us about some of the things that you'll have besides hair.
So we have spa services. We offer everything from manicures and pedicures to facials, massage, and body scrubs. We're always up to date with the latest and greatest. We added a diamond glow machine to our skincare services, which is like top of the line, latest and greatest as far as facials and skincare goes.
Nice.
We've actually, this next year will be our 25th year of business in
Wow.
Mullica Hill. So
Yeah.
we have been here quite some time.
Yeah.
And we've been consistent Best of Gloucester County winners
Yes.
for our hair services as well as our spa services. We've been very fortunate. We're very fortunate to be in this community. We've lived here for 26 years. We've raised our children here. And we're very proud and very happy to be part of the community.
Yeah, we love it. And it's not just spa services upstairs. So if I may, there's a fireplace. They put you in
Yes.
robes. You can have a beverage. I mean,
The quiet area,
it's an
yes.
experience. It's
Thank you.
really lovely.
Thank you.
If you want to be pampered, this is the place to go. Absolutely, my friend. Thank you for taking the time this morning. I appreciate it. Again, I'm Nancy Kowalik with your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty, Mullica Hill, New Jersey. This is 30 Things to Do in Mullica Hill in 30 days, day 26 with Gino Giumarello at In the Village Salon. Go make it a great day.